ladder, sir.
First pilot on the ladder. Thank you.
First pilot off.
First pilot off.
Second pilot on the ladder.
Second pilot on the ladder.
Second pilot, sir, off.
Okay, two pilot off. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Tugboat's clear, sir.
Tugboat's clear. Thank you. So nakababa na yung dalawang pilot natin, guys, no? Isang pilot na lang naiwan hanggang doon sa labas sa CJK. So ayan, successfully unloading, successful departure na tayo, no? So yan lang mga loads. And shoutout pala to my wife Aljom and Sai Kids, and also to pa-shoutout si Captain Julie Iyaw, no? Sa MV Fatma, no? Tanda Shipping, kasama Chief Engineer Habids Daud, Second Mate Brian Vidyot, and Second Engineer Michael Kera, Chief Mate Ninyo Amarga, no? And of course si Engine Cadet Mark Dave De La Cruz. Shoutout sa inyo lahat dyan sa MV Fatma. Mabuhay kayong lahat, lalo na kay Captain Iyaw Julie. Have a nice day, everyone.